my god, the sun. What's up guys, they want you another video. Today's gonna be a pretty chill vlog, nothing too crazy. It's already 4 p.m. I'm barely starting to vlog. The sun's gonna go down in less than an hour. But we're trying to beat the sunset to Malibu right now, guys. So we're driving over there right now. We got Kevin and the M4 GTS, we got Nikon and the M8. And we're just gonna go for a little cruise. We have nothing else to do today. We wanna go catch the sunset, do a little POV canyon drive too while we're at it. So let's go.
Canyon,
you don't like canyons? I'm also trying to take her to Malibu because she's been asking every single day to go to Malibu, but I have been not trying to go. I've been busy for one, but two, I'm sketched out by the cops, guys. I feel like Malibu is burnt right now. People are going over there like crashing and street racing and all kinds of crazy stuff, guys. I don't know why people are burning it out like that because Malibu is such a nice drive, and it sucks that you can't even go and drive your nice cars anymore because it's literally so nice. It's like the nicest drive you can go on in LA. Hopefully we don't run into any cops or get pulled over or anything like that. I heard they're handing out state reps like it's candy out there. Like we got Kevin over here laughing at me vlogging. And yeah, it should be fun. Let's go. But very chill vlog. We'll probably grab some lunch too while we're at it. And cool little chill Sunday. You know what's crazy? I mean, I don't know why I never thought about it. Like Nikon's car is like $150,000. Can you guys believe that? Isn't that crazy for a BMW? It is a sick BMW though. Bucket seats, V8 twin turbo, all-wheel drive, bro. That shit has everything, every option you can get to, and frozen white paint, and it's super fast.
It's probably the fastest car I've been in.
Oh yeah, she came with us in his car once, and she was all scared.
It was really scary to be honest.
That shit's sick, guys, and it's stock and it's that fast, which is insane. Sheesh. I think he's already tired of it though. I think he's already ready to trade it in for something new. Which is crazy. I'd be so happy in that. If I got one, I want the coupe though. A coupe with red bucket seats. Fire. But I ain't trying to spend 150 or more on a BMW, guys. That's alright money right there. Also, before we get into the video, there's a few more things left on the website, guys. If you guys want the new merch, shop findingnick.com. First link down below. Cop the merch. It's almost all gone. Hoodies, t-shirts, stickers, and license plate frames. Everyone always tells me, oh, there's no more mediums, no more smalls. There's no more merch. Right now is your time to go get it. It's your last chance. All the orders should be getting shipped out on Monday morning too, so I'm gonna start packaging everything. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm gonna be shipping stuff out all day, literally. A lot of orders, so thank you guys so much. And yeah, let's get it. What do you guys think Nikon should get next? What would be an upgrade to the M8? I think he wants to get a Urus or something. Big baller, huh? What's up, G? How much your fit cost today?
Shoes about $670, pants about $200, hoodie about $150.
Damn, almost a rack?
Almost.
Nikon's watch pays for both their outfits.
Yeah, Nikon pays for all of it.
What's up, G? We're talking about how much our fits cost.
I'm putting on my plates, I think.
You don't have plates on? Oh,
Me and Nikon don't have plates on.
I was literally just saying I'm scared because I'm scared there's gonna be a lot of cops, but we'll see. Nikon's the only stock one that can get away with it. Anyways, we got my F80 out here, guys. We got Kevin's M4 GTS. And we almost there. We're about to go through this little canyon road. It's a really cool canyon. It has like tunnels and turns and all kinds of cool stuff. I'll put the GoPro on for that. I wish I could drive this in the canyon. That would be fun. The canyon car. Gotta get some gas real quick. It's honestly not empty, but might as well fill it up since we're here. Look at the wing, guys. You guys remember we put the wing on? I haven't really showed it much in the vlog, but yeah, the wing looks good. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I waited so long to put it on. I actually like both. I like the no wing and I actually like the wing as well. It's hard to pick. I mean, but I'll probably rock it like this for a bit and then take off the wing. What? Another one? Oh my. Well, we're for sure getting pulled over. 100%. Mrs. Officer G?
She could arrest me, G.
Kevin wants to get arrested by that. Yeah, we're screwed. Oh, thumbnail though.
Hey, when you turn on your car.
Oh yeah, I still gotta start it. This might be the thumbnail. Look, when you're a YouTuber and you see this little, you get the opportunity to use this as a thumbnail, you have to use it, bro. All right, here we go. Hopefully we don't run into any more cops. I did fix the GoPro. The last video, well, this is the second time using it, but the first time using this new GoPro, it was too wide. Like, it was making my steering wheel look weird. I think we fixed it now. Oh, it's in the tunnel. trying to catch up to them. Oh my god. I knew it was coming. Dude. It'll never pick up on camera how loud that really is. I swear.
It literally sounds like the whole bridge was out of glass. Like somebody bombed it.
No way they're racing. Well, Kevin keeps up for a little bit. Not that bad. Man, that view looks great. I don't know if you're able to see that. It's insane with the water, bro. Karen doesn't want to race me. Damn, that's an orange? G80? We made it, guys. Look at it. On the water. I'm telling you, it's like the nicest drive. But you gotta be worried about cops all the time. Well, that was a fun little cruise. Made it here to Malibu. About to grab some food. Cars look sick together. I wanna ride my car, guys. I did like a satin white like that. Something satin. I've never done a satin wrap in my life. Does look good though in that color too, huh? Because I love how my F80 looks. It's literally perfect. Like I would not change a thing other than change the color. That's it. This car in any color is gonna look good. Tiffany blue, red, yellow, freaking matte white. It looks sick. Damn, guys, look at this. Z06, brand new. Center exit exhaust. That's crazy, bro. I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. Sounds crazy too. It literally sounds like kind of like a Ferrari, bro. It's really weird, like a V8 Ferrari. Kevin's favorite color too. What, he said he wanted to trade his car? Sounds crazy, huh?
Sounds like.
Bro, it does not sound like an American muscle car.
We heard one the other night and we thought it was an SVJ. I'm like, SVJ! And it was a Z06.
You really want to trade your car for that?
No.
Your E92?
Yeah.
No, wait, bro, I'll trade the E92 in a second for that.
Smoked out.
He smoked out, G. M2? Those are sick. It's like the Urus competition. Guys, check this out. It's the next day now, but look at all of these orders that we gotta ship out tomorrow morning. Holy crap, bro. And this is only half. We still got, dude, still got like a few hundred more to ship probably tomorrow. But guys, bear with me, be patient. But we did do a lot very fast this time. Most of you guys should be getting your packages by the end of the week. Shout out to my boy David, shout out to my boy Peter, and my girl, huh, Josephine?
Yeah.
For all helping me today. We literally had 4 of us shipping these packages and it went by quick, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take all this to the post office tomorrow. I literally cannot believe it, but yeah, like I said, this is only half, so expect some of the packages to be delivered soon. Also, we have a few here that I chose that I'm gonna hand deliver, like I said, so these lucky winners, these could be you. I'll probably pick a few more too. I think there's like 6 of them here or something like that. I'll probably pick a couple more to hand deliver in the F80. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that we did package a bunch of merch today. Again, I'm sorry for the lack of content lately, but I've been just doing a lot of behind the scenes and shipping stuff, so that's why the vlogs are a little bit slow. But we're gonna get back to it this week, start making more content. I'm just mind blown about how many packages and how many orders we got this drop. Literally my biggest drop so far, and I'm so freaking thankful. A lot of work, but the hard work paid off, guys, and I appreciate everyone who placed an order. Cannot wait to see everybody rocking the merch. Check this out. This is so sad, guys. I was trying to ship out the skateboards today as well, but look what I found. 2 of the boards got messed up. Look at that. Oh my god, they're in the back of my F80 for a couple days. This is number 1 and number 2. So whoever copped number 1 and number 2, I gotta go replace these right now. It is 11 p.m. guys. We're about to go to Decal Connect's house. He's gonna help me. He's the one who helped me print these, and he's gonna help me reprint the skateboards for me and redo them for me, because yeah, unfortunately I messed them up, and I'm not gonna send you guys that kind of quality. So we're gonna go get them fixed and then ship these out tomorrow as well. So yeah, thought I'd vlog it, update you guys what I'm about to do, show you guys what I've been doing all day, shipping packages all day, and now it's still 11 p.m. and I'm still not done. By the way, those skateboards sold out in 20 seconds, I swear. Next drop, I'll probably do like 10 boards instead of 5, so that more people could hopefully get them. I'll probably do like a GTR on it, or maybe E46 skateboard would be fire too.
Check this out, guys. 12:48 in the morning now, and we just got here, and we just got done here at my boy Decal Connect's house. Shout out to him for staying up late and doing this for me. He rewrapped them all like right now, bro. Shout out to him. He got these perfect again. Look, brand new. I'm gonna make sure they don't get scratched this time. They came out super good. And he also printed me an extra one from my room, so now I get to have one, because I was kind of sad that I gave all of mine away. So now there's a total of 6, but I have the last one. So we're gonna ship these tomorrow. God, it is so cold and it's so late. I can't believe we're still out, guys. It's been a long day. Also, by the way, man, we almost been up for like 24 hours almost. This morning I actually had to drive my parents to the airport, because I remember, if you guys watched the Christmas video, I surprised my parents with a trip to Hawaii. I bought them the plane tickets and the hotel and the rental car, everything. I just wanted them to go on a vacation, and it felt so good to like spoil my parents for once. Hard work pays off, guys, I swear. I wish I could do more, but I mean, dude, they're so happy. They're sending me pictures and stuff like that. But anyways, we dropped them off early in the morning. We left the house at like 5:30, guys. So, and then we shipped merch all day, like I said.
The street looks like it goes on forever.
I know, look how crazy it looks. I don't even have the lights on.
Oh, that's why it looked like that.
The lights are on.
I was like, why does it look like it goes on for 4 years?
Yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere, guys, but we're gonna head home, probably like a little 20-minute drive, get some sleep, and tomorrow morning head to the post office, drop off the packages. And yeah, sorry the vlogs have been kind of boring, guys, I'm not gonna lie. There just hasn't really been much content going on, and like I said, I've been just really busy with like the merch drop stuff. Hopefully this week I can come up with some cool content. I think Thursday we're gonna film a cool video with Jimmy and one of his other cars that he has. If you guys remember, we drove his R33 in the last video. It did really good, but he has more cars, and I think we might just review Jimmy's garage. And more people, comment down below if you guys have a sick car or something that you want me to review. If you live in LA or something like that, it'll be a cool little series. I don't know, reviewing people's cars. But yeah, hopefully more content this week, guys. I need to get back on the daily vlogs. I've been slacking. Probably a short video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'm tired, guys. I'm beat. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.